One of the most popular videos on my channel is the Pentabox. So the Pentabox consists of 5 CT Sound 6.5 inch subwoofers. And what you guys kept suggesting over and over again was that I build one exactly like it and stack it on top of each other and run the numbers. Well, in this video, I'm kind of doing that. CT Sounds reached out to me, sent me some 8s over for review, and I'm gonna be building a box on the same platform with 8s, and I'm gonna stack them on top of the 6.5s. Hopefully this makes some good, fun content for you guys to share with your friends and family. Enough talk, let's jump right off into this. Okay guys, once again, we're in the back of the Impala, and as you guys can see, I got a new build in here. This is CT Sounds Meso 8s. These guys right here, these are dual 2s, and I have them in a quad box. So it's basically the same as the box I built a while ago that had 5 of the CT Sounds Meso 6.5s, but you guys kept requesting that I do the same build with 8-inch subwoofers. So that's what I'm doing right now. All right guys, so this is gonna be the bass sweep, and I'm gonna try to keep this glare out of y'all face while I do this. And we're gonna sweep from 150 all the way down to 20 hertz. Here we go. All right, so that's it. That's the bass sweep. And like I said, the bass sweep is always going to be very low power. You don't want a lot of power on your bass sweeps because it's mainly going to be heating up the subs, and you don't want that. See that 126? If you go into your mode, you want to see where it's peaking at, and it's peaking at 37 hertz. That's the value we want because that's the value we're going to use to do our SPL test. All right, so this is the application that you want right here. This application is gonna give you values in which you can do burps at. And we're gonna burp it at 37 hertz. We're gonna slowly increase our volume as we do that. This thing goes up to about 60, I believe. The bass knob is gonna be on 40, and I'm gonna give it a burp at 37. 37 hertz. Yeah, now they're moving. That's 626 watts. At 3.2, so let's bump the volume up a little bit more. We're gonna put it about 3/4. Let's do this again at 37 hertz. Now you're talking 3,885 watts, and we got a 137 in the kick, okay? So let's go back. So we're gonna try to see if we can get at least 5,000 out of this right now. Let me kill the glare. And we're gonna give this another go at 37 hertz. Woo, guys. Anybody that's been watching this channel for a long time knows I have a love-hate relationship with some of my audio equipment, and the AMM1 is one of them. This damn thing goes off at some of the weirdest times. Oh my God, I hate this thing. We're gonna burp it one more time at 37 hertz. That was 4,654 watts. And we got a 140.4 in the kick. That's it. I'm gonna see if I can pump a little bit more power through it. Let's do 37 hertz again. Woo, that's clipping. I better not do that too much. So that's 4,729. And we still got a 140.4 in the kick. I'm clipping, so I better turn this thing down a little bit. I'm gonna turn it by 3/4 again. One more time. We hit 5,000. I don't think we clipped on that one. And it's still a 140.4. I think that's about it, guys. I don't think we're gonna get anything else out of it other than that. 140.4 is what we got. Something's telling me to throw a little bit more power at it, but looks like these guys are reaching their potential mechanically, so I don't wanna damage anything. So I'm gonna leave it at that. And that'll conclude this test. To put things into perspective, what we're going to be doing next is a brief recap of the Pentabox. I'm going to pull up some footage of the previous build and allow you guys to see what its performance was like. If you guys would like to see the entire video, click the link on this screen right now and you guys will be taken to that video. Alright guys, so I'm back here in the Impala. Same setup, you got the SPL lab in the kick. I'm going to be running some frequency tests. I'm going to focus more on the 30 hertz band down here. I'm going to get this thing turned all the way up like we did last time. Let's see how much we can get out of it on a burst. 30 hertz. Yeah, I would say it's about the same. Without touching the gains, which I know I can do. 34 hertz. See how much power this is. I got a 139, so I'm gonna go for 35 hertz this time. That's a 139. I don't want to blow nothing up. I'm gonna go for 35 hertz. Woo! That's a lot, man. 139.3. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna let them break in a little bit more, and then I'm gonna get that 140. I'm gonna get it, but for right now, I'm happy. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna leave it alone. But I'm gonna get that 140 one day. If you would like to help out the channel, you can find affiliate links to any items featured in this video in the description box below. Any purchase made through those links helps support the BudgetBassHead channel and allow me to keep bringing you guys even more content such as this. Okay, so in order to make this happen, we're gonna have to take those two terminals and run them in parallel with the terminals of the other box. Basically, positive of this box connects to the positive of the other box. Here's the other box over here. And the way I'm gonna make that happen is by utilizing these two jumper cables right here. Positive, negative, they're gonna simply jump to the negative and positive of the other box, and I should have a parallel configuration. This box is wired down to, I believe, 1.3 ohms, basically 1 ohm, and the other one is 1 ohm, so they give me a half ohm load wired in parallel. The amplifier is 1 ohm stable, and after box rise or impedance rise, this should be a stable connection. We're gonna test that out, and we're gonna see how it goes. So what I've done is I've gone and already connected the jumpers first to the box on the bottom. This is the quad box. In my mind, it's gonna be harder to reach the bottom, so maybe we'll do it first, right? Now I'm gonna put the penta box on top. The penta box is the one with the 5, 6.5, penta meaning 5, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put that up here, and then I'm gonna get back at y'all. There it is, it's in there. Now I don't know how this gonna sound. Okay, you got one port over here, you got one port over here. In my mind, I don't think that's gonna cause any cancellations. I don't think, but we are yet to see. Now over here, as you guys can see, now I have my two terminals that are easily accessible, and that's what I needed. I needed these two to be where I can easily just, see where I'm going with this? Easily just put them on there without hassle. I'm gonna do them one at a time because I wanna position it in a way where they don't touch. So I'm gonna have to have this one here kind of like going like that, and maybe have the one on the top pushing backwards like that, right? So they don't touch. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. So now these two are connected in parallel, these two enclosures. And look at the closeness of the build. The exact same platform, just implemented differently. This one here got 6.5s, that one have 8s. Let's take a look at that. All right guys, so we're back here in the Impala and you guys see what I got back here. So this is the stack box. What we're gonna do now is get a base sweep going and we're gonna see exactly where this thing peaks at. Okay, so we got the mini base meter and the kick. All right, let's give this a go. Wow, guys, I know you guys couldn't see because this thing went off like it always do, but that was less than 80 watts. That's crazy, less than 80 watts. I'm gonna get this restarted and then we're gonna, now first, let's see what our value peaked at. That's a 128. As you guys can tell, let's hit mode at 38 hertz. That's my cabin. My cabin peaks at 38 hertz. Pretty much any time, in between 37 and 40 hertz is my cabin peak. So we're gonna run the test at 38 hertz at its max volume. All right guys, so here we go. I got the volume turned up just a little bit, about half the way. And we're gonna burp this guy at 38 hertz. Baby, put the volume on 40. I got my daughter with me today. She's gonna be my little assistant. The base meter goes all the way up to 60. What do you have it on, baby? 40. Okay, it's on 40. So we're gonna do 38 again. Woo! That was some power. That was 817 watts, 1.8 ohms. We're gonna clear that out. 137.6. All right, we're gonna bump it up again. We're gonna put it on 45, baby. All right, 38 hertz. Whoo! 3,102 watts at 1.5 ohms. So we're doing good on impedance. That's a 140. All right, this is an 8,000 watt system. We going for 8,000 today, guys. I don't think I'm gonna hurt nothing back here. What is on, baby? 45. Put it on 40. Put it on 48. Okay. You ready? You ready? All right, let me clear this out, because this thing will go off if you don't push a button. I hate that thing. All right, 38 hertz. Woo! 5,926 watts at 1.3 ohms. We got a 142.4. We're going in. We got some more. It's some more left in it. We got some more left in it. Clear that out. Put on 50, baby. It's on 50. All right, here we go. 38 hertz. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh man, 6,620 watts.
Like you said.
We got a 142.4. Look, guys. But it's not Dayton Audio's fault. It's just I can't trash the device. The device is in the corner up there. That's a Dayton Audio DSP. If you vibrate it too much, it shakes loose the connector, and it has the phone style connector. But this is a lot of power, man. So instead of using the bass knob, which is almost maxed out, we're gonna go ahead and max the volume out. Almost. We got about a ½ inch left on the volume. I just turned it up a little bit. We're gonna reset this and see if we can get 8,000 out of it without clipping. Let's try it, let's get it. All right, we got 38 hertz. 7,371 watts. There we go. 143.3. Baby, max the volume out. Turn it all the way up. She said we good, y'all. We're gonna reset this. She said we good. Oh man, don't blow nothing up. Come on, budget bass. 38 hertz. Woo, actually went down in power, y'all. Y'all see that? That's what happened when you clip. I just seen the clip indicator on the amp over there, so I need the bass knob to be up, not the volume. I clip at about 90% volume on this unit, which is really good. 90% volume on this unit right here clips, which is really good. It's very efficient. But I'm gonna try to reset the bass knob and we're gonna get back at this. All right, we banging these things back to back, man. We got the bass knob reset. Put it on 55, baby. 55. 55, she said. So let's get it. 38 hertz. Woo! Snap! There go to 8,000, y'all. 8,000 watts. 8,065 watts at 1.2 ohms. What the bass meter say? 144. That's it. 144. Nice. 55. I'm scared, y'all. I don't know if we should go up anymore. Oh man, I don't wanna damage them. I mean, this thing is at half an ohm. That's the reason why I'm a little scared. It's at half ohm. I don't want to burn on my amp or the subs, even though that's more than enough. It can take it. I'm gonna put it up. So we're gonna put it on 60, baby. 60. It's maxed out. It's maxed out. Oh God, what am I doing? Let's clear this out. Oh, don't burn up nothing, boy. All right, 38 hertz. Ah, let's do it. God. Once again, we lose power. That's only it only measures 6,755 watts. Still a 144. We're not gaining anything, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I think we're good at that. So there y'all go. Y'all wanted this ridiculous setup. So I went ahead and did it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something. Thanks for visiting the channel to help you simplify car audio. It's the Budget Bass Head, and I'm out.